Okay, we're on the guided practice, continuing what we worked on yesterday. The first one says, find each missing angle measure. Well, you know that all three angles in a triangle add up to be 180 degrees. So we take the ones that we already have, 78 plus 31. We need to subtract that answer from the total of 180. So you see the missing angle for angle M is 71 degrees. Number 2, 126 plus 24. So I already have 150 degrees. Take that away from 180. You have 30 degrees left for angle Q. Okay. Number 3, they make it a little bit more complicated. I'm still trying to figure out the degrees in each angle, but now instead of just normal numbers, I have these expressions, but I still have to start with what I know. I know if I add up all three angles right here, or all three expressions, I'm going to set it equal to 180 degrees. There is not room to do that right here. Turn to your next clean page. We're going to write all of these added up equals 180. Okay, so make sure you label it number 3 so you know what it's there for. I'm going to start at the top. 7x plus 4 plus 5x plus 3 plus 2x plus 5. Is all equal to 180 degrees. Now, that's a really long equation. You make it shorter. Go ahead and put your train tracks over here where the equal sign is. I have all of these x terms, 7x, 5x, and 2x. Since they're all positive, I'm just going to add them all together. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14x. I can also combine the constants or the normal numbers. Positive 4, positive 3, positive 5. There's 7 plus 5 makes 12. Bring down equals 180. Your goal is to isolate the variable. My variable is now in one spot. I'm going to move the 12 away from it. I need to subtract 12 to make the 0 pair. Bring down 14x equals 168. Now I need to divide both sides by 14. You get x equals 12. That is not the answer to the problem. That is how much the variable is equal to. So if we look back at the original, up here I'm going to say x is equal to 12, but they wanted me to find those angle measures. So inside of angle T, 7x plus 4, I substitute this 12 for the x, just right above it. So it will say 7 times 12 plus 4. You get 88 degrees. Okay, they're asking for angle U next, so it says 2x plus 5. I know that my x is equal to 12, so 2 times 12 plus 5. There's 24 plus 5, it's 29 degrees. Last is asking for the measure of angle V. It says 5x plus 3. I substitute my 12, so it will say 5 times 12 plus 3. That is 60 plus 3, 63 degrees. Now, whenever you have solved a problem like this, there is an easy check to see if you got it right. All three angles of a triangle add up to 180, so you just check and make sure that your answers do. And it does, so we did it right. Okay, number 4. Same idea. I'm trying to find these angle measures. This is an isosceles, and that means it has two equal angles and two equal sides. It looks like a right angle. I mean, I can't say for certain because I don't see a symbol, but it sure looks like a right angle. That would be 90 degrees. To know if it is for sure or not, I'm going to do that same process that we did on number 3. I'm going to take these expressions and set them equal to 180 degrees. So label number 4. It said n in the top angle, and then a half of n and a half of n is equal to 180. This one's much shorter. I need to combine like terms. Remember, whenever there is no coefficient on a variable, you have a 1 there. So I have a 1 plus a half plus a half. This makes 1 plus the 1 in the front gives me 2n equals 180 degrees. Divide by 2. So yes, now we can see that one of those angles, the one that just said n, will be 90 degrees. I'm going to say n equals 90. Angle x is the one that said n, so right here it is 90 degrees. To get a half of n, you just divide this number by 2 to get 45 and 45. Isosceles triangle, 2 equal angles and 2 equal sides.